Hi, today we're going to learn how to access your MBA education courses. You should have received an email from your company administrator noting the education courses you have been registered for. Go to MBA.org and click in the sign in button in the upper right hand corner of the website. The system will prompt you to log in with your email and password. If you forgot your password, simply click on Reset Password and you will be able to reset your password. Log in to MBA.org and then you will see your name in the upper right-hand corner of MBA.org once you have signed in. Click on your name and you'll see your My MBA profile. If at any point you have any pop-up blockers coming up, I've attached instructions for adding trusted sites for pop-up blockers. You may click on My Education up here. You may also go into My Downloads and Courses, take my enrolled courses. And here you'll see all the courses you have signed up for, any messages, anything that you have already started, you may resume, or you may go to your learning center and continue taking any courses. You'll see the name of the course. If you've already started it, you may resume. You may take your course and simply follow the prompts throughout the course once you've launched it by hitting next. If you have any issues, please email corporatetraining@mba.org. Thank you for participating in MBA education and continuing your education in the mortgage industry.